I'm going to teach you how to add a permanent signature and logo to your emails in Gmail. Having a professional email signature is a great way to leave a lasting impression. And the best part is, it's quick and easy to set up. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Gmail account on your browser. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a small gear-shaped settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with a few quick settings, but we want the full set of options. Click on See All Settings. This will take you to Gmail's complete settings page, where you can customize different features of your account, including display, notifications, and of course, signatures. Now, make sure you're in the General tab. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Signature. Here, click on Create New. Gmail will now prompt you to enter a name for your new signature. It's a good idea to give it a short, clear name, like work or personal, so you can recognize it later if you create multiple signatures. Type in the name and hit Create. Next, you'll see a text box appear. This is where you'll design your signature. Start by typing the details you want to include: your name, job title, company, phone number, or any other contact information. Take your time to format it nicely. You can change the font style, size, or color, and even add bold or italic text to highlight key parts. If you want to include a logo or image, look for the small image icon in the toolbar above the signature box. Click on it, and Gmail will offer a few upload options. To add a logo stored on your computer, choose the Upload or Google Drive option. Browse your files, select the logo, and upload it. Once your logo appears in the signature box, you can resize it by clicking on the image and choosing small, medium, or large. Adjust it until it fits perfectly with your text layout. You can even press enter to move it slightly for better alignment. After customizing your signature to your liking, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is important. Without it, your signature won't appear in future emails. Now, whenever you compose a new message, your signature will automatically appear at the bottom, complete with your logo and formatted text. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional, branded Gmail signature that adds a polished touch to all your communications. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment or share this video with someone who might need it. Happy customizing.